Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create Instagram story design in Photoshop. First of all, click on the new file, set the size 1080 by 1920. Fill background with solid color, then click type tool, add hide headline text on top. Increase font size, add subtle below, use move tool to align center, select shape tool, also add small divider line and change divider color. Add icon if needed, check margins from edges, preview full screen, check each and everything.